Mai Jeremiah was misjudged musure mekunge vaisa video vachita pole dancing. Ndokubva manetizens ati musikana usakanga wakapotsa pinza vakomana mujere vati aiwa bodo handiwo hunhu wangu kutambira papole, but you misunderstood the message. This was a skit or it was something that was figurative. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Kune vaya vasati vaona manovels ka chimbomanya yemunoterera anokubeka maka nostalgic feeling naika vana pafunge vana ruambira nezvimwe zvakadaro. Follow linki muchanangiswa kune zvinotitapirira. Hande panyaya ya Mai Jeremiah vati ivo official press statement from Mai Jeremiah. In recent days, a video of me dancing has circulated online and led to conversations and assumptions about my intentions and personal story. I would like to clarify that the video was shared in a light-hearted and expressive spirit. It was never meant to cause discomfort or disrespect, but to highlight the everyday reality of how women are often misjudged for expressing confidence or joy in their own skin. I understand that interpretations may differ, and I truly respect every perspective. My intention was to inspire thought, not controversy, and I remain mindful of the conversations it has sparked. It was never my wish to diminish the seriousness of trauma or anyone's personal experience. Healing is a deeply individual journey, and expression takes many forms. Every survivor's path deserves understanding and respect. To my partners, supporters, and community, I value your trust and continued belief in my work. I remain committed to professionalism, integrity, and the shared values that connect us. This moment serves as a reflection point for me to communicate more clearly and to continue creating work that uplifts, empowers, and builds dialogue in a respectful way. With gratitude and understanding, Ashley Masendeke, Mai Jeremiah. So vari kuti ivo video vakangoitawo zvavo, but hazvina kureva kuti vari kuto downplay the trauma that she went through. I personally stand with you. I don't see anything wrong with that video. Those who judge, let them judge. At the end of the day, we know who we are. Even if they call you names, that does not put food on your table. Amaimana itai zvenyu zvamunongoda. Problem iriponde kuti ma public statement aya akungojairirwa fani. Regai kuisa ma statement. Leave people to speculate whatever they want. The moment you start explaining yourself, aiwa paniki patotanga ma controversy. You are now a public figure. The society is always watching your moves. You have people who like you and who you inspire. Just know that whenever you go about doing whatever you do, you live in a society where there are people and they are bound to judge. And it's you who will create the life you want to be viewed. Chingobvai mumascandal, mungoita zvoku build a good brand. Naimi, musiyane netunu tuma dance utu. Nezvimwe zvinenge zvibonde, nezvimwe zvinenge bota. Siyana inazo. If you want a clean image, maybe think twice before posting things. Because eventually people are not going to take your apology seriously in the end. Chimwe chiriponde chokungoti because of your previous experience, people are like, finish azoteratidza unhu hwaakaita kuloji. Uri brand ambassadors wema companies. Saka whatever you do will cause a good or bad cause. Instead of rebuilding your name with better content, you made those who believed in your innocence think twice. Chengetedzai brand my guru regai kudaro. So guys, those remasters my guru vati better vape a public apology, but then zvinhu zvacho zvakaoma. Do leave your comments on what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching.